So can you all see my table? And so the first thing that we do is we lay out a table mat. Now, why do we lay out a table mat? Because, you know, sometimes when we are eating, food falls. We don't want to dirty the tablecloth because we don't wash the tablecloth every time after every meal. So we put a table mat which can be cleaned after the meal. So now everyone, lay out your table mats in front of you and take your plate and keep it in the center. See, my plate is right in the middle. And your glass. We always have a glass, right? Laid on the table, which goes on the right side of the plate. Everyone knows your left hand and your right hand. So this is my right hand. I write with my right hand. So my glass goes to the right side of my plate. And to the left side of my plate is the bowl. You know, we have to pour our raita or our dal or something in the bowl. So we always use a bowl, right? We don't want to mess up the entire plate by putting everything on the plate. It looks so messy. So we'll put our dal on in our bowls and the bowl goes to the left. All right. Now, very, very important is the napkin. So this is your napkin. You know what? I'm going to tell you another word which you can use for a napkin. A napkin is also called a serviette. Everyone repeat after me. A serviette. It's called a serviette. Okay? So we are going to take our serviette. We are either going to put it in make a triangle out of it or make a rectangle out of it. And we are going to place it on the left of our plate. All right. So you can see we have placed it on the left side of our plate. Now, when we eat something with a fork and a knife, the fork is always in our left hand and the knife is always in the right hand, right? See, when we have to cut something, we hold with the fork and we cut it with the knife. So the fork is always in the left hand and the knife is always in the right hand. So our fork goes to the left side of our plate and our knife goes to the right side of our plate. Yes? Then when we have to eat our dal and rice, again our spoon and fork, the fork is always in the left hand and the spoon is always in the right hand. See? Look how I'm picking up. If I just keep eating only with my spoon, then you know what happens? All the rice falls onto my lap. So when we collect the rice with our spoon, we use our fork to help push the rice back so that it goes on our spoon, right? And we're not dropping all the food on our laps, right? So that is why your fork is again on your left and the spoon is on your right. See, my table is ready. Yes, everybody, I hope you've all laid out your tables. Let me see everyone's tables. Can all of you point your cameras to your tables and let me see how nicely you've laid your table. Wow, Kaina, let's see yours. Vrinda, Vyan, very good. Pavni, Riddhi, wow. Sharanya, that's really nice. Look at that. Very good, Diya. Where is your spoon, knife, and your fork? Let's see it. Yes, Harmeher, that's right. Very good. Advik, where is your cutlery? Havisha, very good, all of you. Wow, that's really nice. All my babies have followed and everyone's doing it so nicely. So today, before lunch, all of you are going to go to the table and lay the table for everybody. Okay? And when you sit down on your seat for your lunch, just remember that the first thing we are going to do is take our napkins, open it, and put it on your lap. You know why? Because when we start to eat, and when we are eating, we're not going to wipe our mouth with our hands or my sleeves. We keep it on the lap. So the tissue will always be with you on the lap, and we are going to wipe our mouth with the tissue or the serviette. Yes. Everyone, say it again. The serviette. You've learned a new word today. And you must tell Mama and Papa, Mama, this is called a serviette. Okay, everybody remember this new word that we've learned today. So, see, our serviette goes on our lap and we wait for Mama to serve us food. And let's wait for everyone else. No, we should wait for Mama also to sit down and join us. And then all of us will start eating. Okay? You know, I'm feeling hungry now, I think. Talking about food, it's making me hungry. Oh, let me just get that bowl. It's got some food in it. Ow! I dirtied my clothes. It's not nice to do this, you know, jumping on top of the table like that to take something. So what are you supposed to say? I think next time when you want something, you say, Mama, please can you pass me the dal? Mama, please can you pass me the salad? And Mama and Papa will pass it to you. So you don't have to jump on top of your plate like that and dirty all your clothes. And then what will happen? Like Pepper's friend, you might just spill your glass of water on the table.